what recording format should we be using it? Because surely then that dictates or influences the file size and maybe the editing system. You don't want to have to convert all your footage before you can even edit it.
Yeah, if you're doing something as big a job as that, then it goes back to what we said at the start about your whole workflow. There's absolutely no point in filming that all on your lovely Sony camera if you don't have a computer that can process that all, and you definitely don't want to be editing all of that on a phone. So that's the first stop. And then if you've got a computer that can cope with Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro, or even a cheaper software editor, video editor like Filmora, which is about £60 to buy outright, those editors will convert that file, so they'll be able to cope with whatever video file you throw at it and bring it in that way. Whereas for your phone, it possibly wouldn't cope. And
right, so that's the advantage of some of these professional level editing. You know, I think Final Cut Pro is maybe about £200.
£300 now.
£300,
yeah.
Okay. Premiere Pro, I think you can get that as part of the Adobe suite. It's maybe about £20 a month or something.
Yeah, you have to subscribe for that. I think you can get 2 apps for £10 a month as the kind of minimum package for personal, but probably for businesses and for video, it's more like £20 a month.